Moving on, the government has extended the nationwide curfew for another 30 days to curb the spread of COVID-19. Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe says that the ban on public gatherings as well as political rallies has also been extended. And as Nancy Okware reports, the move to extend the curfew comes amid calls to reopen the country so as to salvage an ailing economy.
The 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. curfew will remain in force for 30 more days as the government looks to ensure Kenya tames the COVID-19 curve. Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe says COVID-19 infection rate is still high.
There will be an extension effective today of the containment measures, including the curfew hours that are there. And this is for two reasons. Number one is that we are still, as far as the positivity rate is concerned, we are still above the WHO recommended figures in terms of a 2 weeks period when you have got less than 5% of positivity rate at a high testing level.
Over the last couple of months, calls have been growing on the government to reopen the country to salvage the ailing economy.
As we head for the Christmas holidays, we need to ensure that as many people in this country have been vaccinated as possible. It is the only way we can be able to fully open our economy, and we hope to do so, during the period that we have announced.
To enhance accurate reporting on COVID-19, the Media Council of Kenya has launched an information portal to provide the media with factual information on the pandemic.
While the virus has negatively disrupted society, there are still many grey areas that have yet to be cleared. We have seen vaccine deniers who have peddled all manner of conspiracy theories about the vaccine, many bordering on the absurd.
We know that in times of crisis like this COVID-19 pandemic, access to accurate and timely information can indeed be a matter of life or death.
Morning, as we mark a critical milestone in support of professionals in our media. This portal we're launching today will go a long way in making our work and the work of journalists much easier.
In Kenya, the media industry was not spared. Many journalists lost their jobs. Others were subjected to pay cuts. Dwindling of revenue led to closure of some small media enterprises and the rise of fake news and misinformation as some journalists tried to make a living. And this is still continuing.
The media watchdog says COVID-19 has come with numerous challenges with regards to dissemination of accurate information.